Hey, Jake with B&H, and today we're taking a look at Light & Motion's newest addition to their expanding lineup, the Stella Pro Reflex and the Reflex S. The Reflex lights are extremely versatile hybrid lights that can do both strobe and continuous output. We're going to take a look at some of the features that make the Reflex and the Reflex S well-rounded, multi-use lighting tools. When you're in the field, you want a strobe that is both powerful and fast, but also lightweight and rugged. The Reflex S has all four covered. There are many strobes that need time to recharge back up to full power between flashes, which can hamper the light's ability to keep up with the speed of your camera. The Reflex S can match camera speeds up to 20 frames per second without overheating and without needing time to recycle. You can shoot in burst mode and the Reflex S will fire every time with no power loss, even when shooting in high-speed sync. This is incredibly fast. Having this kind of speed will ensure you capture the action in every frame. The Reflex S achieves this level of output through digital bursts, which reduces the peak power of each flash but extends its duration to achieve similar total illumination. With that speed comes long-lasting power. The Reflex S boasts an incredible 15,000 full power bursts from a single battery charge. I had to reread that spec because that's crazy. I don't think I could shoot half of that in a day, but we're definitely going to try. What's also important to note is that this is an external battery that connects to the light fixture via USB-C cable, so you can connect the head to a smaller or bigger battery pack. The Reflex S can produce 86,000 lux at 1 meter away with the spot optic attached. Now, what separates the Reflex S from the Reflex is speed and duration. While the Reflex S can shoot up to 20 frames per second, the Reflex can shoot up to 10 frames per second. This is still very fast. The other difference between the two is flash duration control. The flash duration on the Reflex S can be controlled down to less than 1/1000th of a second, while the Reflex can be controlled down to 1/200th of a second. Once you've had your fun with strobe shooting, you can easily switch the Reflex into continuous mode for video capture. Unlike many hybrid continuous strobes on the market, the Reflex lights feature powerful continuous light that make them more than capable for a wide variety of productions. When powered by the internal battery, the Reflex can output 6,000 lumens, but when the light is being powered through an external USB-C power supply, it can output 9,000 lumens of light. With the spot optic attached, the light can output 43,000 lux at 1 meter and is flicker-free up to 1,000 frames per second. It has a fixed color temperature of 5600 Kelvin, the TLCI is 93, and the CRI is 92. The light is also dimmable down to 100 lumens. On the physical side, the Reflex is a very compact light with a pistol grip battery handle. With the handle attached, it weighs 1.5 pounds. You can mount it to the fixture itself directly to a C-stand or mount it through the grip handle. The light is also extremely rugged. It features an IP weatherproof rating of 65, so you can shoot in heavy rainstorm and not have to worry. It can even withstand a 1 meter drop onto concrete and keep on working. When not using the battery pack, you can run the light off of AC power, USB-C power packs, and even D-tap power packs. The Reflex lights play nice with other brands as well. You can mix and match them with Profoto, Godox, and Electron. The Reflex lights support all three RF trigger protocols, making it extremely versatile and easy to add into an existing lighting kit. Included with the Reflex is a USB-C charging cable, a battery handle, an umbrella holder, and a medium optic. Stella Pro also offers a wide range of modifiers and accessories to really maximize the output of the Reflex. One of my favorites is the bar. The bar includes a C-stand base and can hold up to 5 lights for really enhancing your level of output in a completely modular way. When used in combination, the Reflex's output power can compete with more traditional powerful monolights. Another is the barn door filter holder combo accessory. Glass CTO filters can easily be slotted into the filter holders that are attached directly to the barn doors. So there you have it. The Reflex is truly a hybrid light that offers the best of both worlds for users looking for a lighting solution that combines the qualities of a traditional speed light and a compact LED light. Powerful, fast strobe light and bright, accurate continuous light, all in a lightweight, compact body that's easy to travel with. What do you plan on creating with the new Stella Pro Reflex and Reflex S from Light & Motion? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.